Tonight is date night, and while going to dinner is usually a good plan, cooking dinner together could result in a more memorable experience. I'm testing that theory at the Gourmandise School in Santa Monica with my date for the evening, Rick Glassman of NBC's Undateable.
I only have one-night stands. I mean, sure, I'd love a two-night stand, but they usually call it after the first.
So Rick, I actually just met your co-star the other day, Brent. He is hilarious.
I know.
He had nothing but good things to say about you.
He's a sweetheart.
Rick Glassman, very confident man, but also very insecure. It's an interesting mix.
Now, have you ever cooked for a date?
Yeah.
And how did that go?
Oh,
Uh-oh. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Any guy that can cook and whip up a meal, my kind of guy.
Yeah. I make a lot of nice sauces.
Well, we're going to test both of our skills today because we're making pasta from scratch.
Heads up, I have some dietary issues. Peanut allergy, don't do dairy. And I'm sure with pasta we're making pesto, and pesto has Parmesan, so I'm going to have to mess around and kind of do my own thing.
Well, give me a warning if anything needs to...
Oh, you mean like if I have to poop?
If you have to fart or something, I will run.
Cameras won't hear me fart. I'd rather just fart and you be able to just, like, not acknowledge it.
Maybe we'll fart together.
Are you flirting with me?
No.
Why don't we fart together?
Go cook.
Okay.
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 That's one way to break the ice. I wonder what other tricks Rick has up his sleeve.
I think it's really important when you're making pasta or any type of dough to work with your hands as opposed to with a machine like a KitchenAid or anything. So you're gonna make a little well.
Do you want to make the volcano thing?
Yeah. So you're just gonna give them a little whisk and you're going to pour carefully into your well. Slowly incorporate the flour into the egg.
Am I just doing this until like enough flour?
Can I step in and show you?
Sure.
I gotta be honest with you, I feel like I'm doing it right. Okay.
Close.
Having fun. You know what? Be the scooper.
Okay.
I don't take direction well.
If you use too much, it'll be dry.
I gotta tell you, had I known what I know now, I would have done less flour, and I feel like the whole thing's ruined. Would it hurt us to throw a little olive oil on here?
You can throw in, yeah.
Just to get back to my Italian roots?
There you go.
I'm not Italian. I think the date's going well. I think I'm being charming, but still being like honest enough, like, oh, I don't know how to do this, but I do know how to do this. I think I'm doing it right.
We're gonna make fresh ricotta cheese to fill our ravioli and tortellini, okay? So, yes.
No obligations, we have a thing, it's preset, I understand, don't want to come and being too difficult. That being said, don't eat cheese. Is there any way I could make some...
We're gonna make some fettuccine.
So what...
So you don't need...
I just don't eat it.
Exactly.
This is a great date night activity because you have all the benefits of going out to eat with somebody without the obligation to create conversation. Salting the milk. Ooh, it's curdling. I know this is a little unorthodox, but I'm going to do another little
Salt?
the salt pinch.
You like it more savory?
It's not that. I really am I just love doing like flicking stuff down.
Like
yeah.
emerald.
Like emerald, yeah.
Ugh.
I know. Just keep it going
That
constant.
is like... It's splattering, sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm just very affected by this.
But it's gonna taste delicious.
It's not going to be tasted by me.
On that note, there's no better time than now to test Rick's self-proclaimed sauce-making skills.
How do you feel about throwing some more garlic in here?
I'm all about the garlic.
More
garlic?
Do you need that?
Take it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want chop?
Sure.
I want more. Can we get more? Is there more garlic?
I wouldn't recommend having a lot of garlic for a date night situation, but...
I don't subscribe to that. I'm going to eat garlic. I'm going to smooch.
You guys are gonna cook like this. You have your garlic, add that in. That is a lot of garlic.
Rick is loving the garlic right now. I feel sorry for my boyfriend when I get home later. Major garlic breath.
I don't feel that's a lot of garlic. Am I crazy?
I think we're good.
Okay, I'm not adding. I'm just saying it seems like that's the right amount of garlic.
Especially in the case of pasta, cooking together can be an aphrodisiac. You're using your hands, you're feeling the dough.
Yep, I'll guide it. Oh, I think it's too wide.
Yep, that's on me. Maybe it'll flatten out as it goes through.
It kind of has like a bubble.
No. What does that mean?
What if a girl cooks you a home-cooked meal and it's awful? What do you do?
Don't eat it. Tell you don't like it. Go get some Chinese. Figure it out. Cook something else.
So you're not going to eat any of these.
I am not going to
But
eat
thank
any
you
of these.
for helping me.
Sure. And disgusting.
Are you going to make your own version of a ravioli?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the I made a mistake, but I'm cutting anyway version. You know what? My mother isn't here.
ruin it.
Nah, you know, it's ruined. This is all just turning me off. You have some fun.
Because the cheese. Let me take over this.
Please.
first.
I feel like if I'm making it, I want to eat it, you know? And if I can't eat it, What am I doing here?
Chill out, Rick. There's plenty to eat. So without further ado, let's dig in and taste just how compatible we really are.
Shall we sit?
Let's sit.
Do you notice that I'm good at holding plates like this?
You are very talented.
I was in the server business. You gotta do the because you know when people are watching you gotta
Well, this has been a great date.
Thank you.
Do you think Rick is husband material?
Well, I don't really know Rick that well. Thank
Let's
you.
try that.
Yes, he's definitely husband material.